Hi everyone, welcome back to Maths for Kids. My name is Jocelyn. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add fractions with a different denominator. It is harder to do them with the same denominator because you can't add two or more fractions with the different denominator. Let's get started with a few questions. Start with question 1. Here we have 4 over 9 add 3 over 9. They both have the same denominator, so the denominator will also have to be 9. And we add the numerator. 4 add 3 is 7, so the numerator will have to be 7. That is our answer. Question number 2. Here we have 2 over 10 add 7 over 10. They both have the same denominator, so the denominator of the answer would have to be 10, and when you add 2 with 7, you get 9. Question number 3. Here we have 6 over 14, add 3 over 14. They have the same denominator, so the denominator for the answer would have to be 14. And when you add 6 with 3, you get 9. Question number 4. Here we have 10 over 21, add 3 over 21. The denominator will have to be 21. And when you add 10 with 3, you get 13. Question number 5. We have 11 over 34 with 8 over 34. The denominator will have to be 34. And when you add 11 with 8, you get 19. Question number 6. Here we have 12 over 27, add 4 over 27. The denominator will have to be 27. And when you add 12 with 4, you get 16. Question number 7. Here we have 13 over 23, add 4 over 23. The denominator will have to be 23. And when you add 13 with 4, you get 17. Question number 8. We have 4 over 15, add 8 over 15. The denominator will be 15. And when you add 4 with 8, you get 12. Question number 9. We have 14 over 36, add 11 over 36. The denominator will have to be 36. And when you add 14 with 11, you get 25. Question number 10. Here we have 21 over 48 and 16 over 48. The denominator will have to be 48. And when you add 21 with 16, you get 37. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Carry on practicing. See you soon for my next video. Bye!